After heavy rain, the forest floor does not dry evenly. One patch stays dark and soft. Another turns pale and hard. Sunlight breaks through in fragments. Wind moves leaves of different sizes at different speeds. Some plants bend low. Others barely move. Together, the forest remains standing. Apart, the ground would tell a different story. This forest did not grow in lines. Trees rise at uneven angles. Roots cross beneath the soil, touching, then separating. Tall trunks draw light from above. Short plants wait below, catching what filters through. Moss spreads where shade stays long. Ferns open near water, slow and deliberate. Each plant follows its own timing. Some wake early in spring. Others wait until warmth settles. Leaves form in many shapes, thin, wide, sharp, soft. When rain falls, it moves through layers. Broad leaves break its force. Smaller ones guide it downward. Moisture stays longer because of this passage. Insects live in bark cracks. Birds choose branches by strength, not height. Fallen leaves remain where they land. Decay is visible. It feeds the soil without ceremony. New growth rises from it without instruction. The forest does not aim for uniform height or shape. It fills space through difference. Light reaches deep because it is filtered. Wind passes through without tearing roots loose. Each plant stands where it can hold. One season presses harder than the rest. Heat stays. Rain skips weeks. Leaves soften, then sag. Soil tightens. Shallow roots strain first. Plants that depend on quick water fade early. Others remain still, drawing from deeper ground. Then wind arrives. It moves fast through the canopy. Tall trees sway late. Small plants flatten quickly. Branches snap. Leaves scatter. Loss appears across the forest. In one corner, a single type of tree grows close together. Their roots spread wide but shallow. When wind hits, they pull against one another. Several fall at once. The ground opens. Elsewhere, response comes unevenly. Thick trunks bend slowly. Flexible stems move fast. Vines hold soil where trees loosen. Fallen branches land on moss and leaf layers. The ground absorbs the impact. Damage happens, but it does not travel far. No single break clears the forest. Gaps form, but life remains near. Seeds already wait beneath the soil. The pressure passes without erasing everything. After the storm, the forest quiets. Mist lifts in thin lines. Sun returns in measured light. Damage remains visible, but the ground holds. In open spaces, small plants rise quickly. They take light once held above them. Nearby, slower growers remain unchanged. Roots from different species tighten the soil. Water lingers. Shade returns unevenly. In the fallen corner, recovery comes slower. Without variation, the ground dries faster. Wind moves freely. Heat stays longer. Elsewhere, adjustment continues without effort. What fell becomes shelter. What remained spreads gently. No single plant moves to fill everything. Each leaves space. The forest does not rebuild what was lost. It continues forward with what is already present. Seasons move on. The forest thickens, not upward alone, but outward and below. Life advances at different speeds. Some plants pass quickly. Others remain for decades. When pressure returns, the forest holds. Damage appears, but it stays contained. Loss feeds renewal. Shade shifts but never disappears. The soil remains active. From above, the forest looks uneven. From within, it feels steady. Paths stay cool. Roots remain set. Wind moves through without clearing the land. What holds here is not sameness. It is the space between differences.